Hello people, 2022 Christmas is coming, and this time I decided to make a solo trip with these guys and that guy. It will be a first experience for me in winter camping. I will go to the other side of Lithuania. One friend of mine came from Great Britain. I will visit him. Then I will visit my dad, also in Latvia, and go back home. I think it will be a 3-day trip. But I have a lot of work to do, to clean all snow, to fill the water inside, to clean the road, to start the engine, because that guy rests here for about 2 months, and it will be really interesting experience for me, and I will try to make a nice video shoot. Look, apple shit. I will clean it tomorrow. So that's it. I have a lot of work to do now, and my dogs will help me. Already ready for the trip. Dogs feels that they're going somewhere. Yes? Up! As always. Going to Silute. It is 300 kilometers far away from Vilnius. One friend of mine lives there. He will change oil in my motorhome, and the other friend came from London, as I told earlier, and we will meet each other. And tonight me and my dogs will stay in Silute, and tomorrow I will go to the Baltic Sea. Maybe I will visit my dad in Ventspils. I have no plan, so stay tuned. Let's eat the kilometers together. 130 kilometers done, 170 to go, and you see the nature differs already. Less snow, not so cold. I don't know is it good or not, because we have, I think, +2. So we will see what we'll have near the Baltic Sea. It's Silute, babe. Already arrived, changed engine oil. My friend helped me. Now need to walk with the dogs, and later on going to visit my friend. I think it'll be a good party today. Small little town with small buildings. Today we have a day before Christmas, but you know, no people, no traffic, really quiet and smooth. It is good to be there for 1 or 2 days, but I'm a cosmopolitan. I like big cities, but sometimes it is good to be there. Several hundred meters in Belgrade in the center. If we were in Vilnius, there would be thousands of people, and here is only 6, 7, I think. It is only 6 p.m. and I am the only one in the center park, and also any human being. Good morning, people. -3 degrees. First day of Christmas, and we are in Silute. Any people like yesterday? It was not cold, it was okay. It's very icy. Dogs has all-wheel drive, so it is easier for them to walk. We found one more bridge, and I forgot my sunglasses. It is very difficult to walk with them in the morning, because they are just flying, both in different ways. Who's inside? interesting. Unbelievable morning, and I'm starting my trip to Ventspils, Ragas. Shop is working, but any people. Wild nature. Need to charge my drone before the next flight, and we'll go for something to eat. Dogs home. Because no dogs. Entering Latvia, and now I'm going to one really nice place near Liepaja. I will show you in a moment. So now I'm arriving to the old military area, old forts by the sea. They're totally ruined and really nice and beautiful place. I will raise my drone and make a footage for you. The forts near the Liepaja. If you're interested in the location.
Walking other ways. Now listen, ain't it crazy? Wish you the best on your journey. Last time I saw you, lady, last time I saw you, we were walking other ways. We were walking other ways. Now listen, ain't it crazy? Ain't it crazy? Wish you the best on your journey. Wish you the best. you, lady, we were walking other ways. Now listen, ain't it crazy? Wish you the best in your journey. Last time I saw you, lady, last time I saw you, we were walking other ways, walking other ways. Now listen, ain't it crazy? Ain't it crazy? Wish you the best in your journey. Wish you.
And now let's explore the fort. They're huge. It is the cold Baltic Sea. It is 24th of December evening. It is quite dark outside, so need to go to my last stop today. It is my dad's place in Ventspils. So let's go 150 kilometers more, and that is it for tonight. And I'm in the evening in Ventspils. Already near dad's home. I will stay there, and tomorrow morning I will go to Kolka. So have a nice evening. It's not an easy way to go, very icy road. And I'm in Kolka's Raga. It is here on the map. Riga is here. It is one of the most famous places in Latvia. Here the Gulf of Riga, and here the Baltic Sea. So now I will raise the drone, and later I will go for a walk. Need to find a better parking place closer to the water. And here I am. My aircraft unfortunately had a crash. It decided to land because connection was lost, so I found it, but need to repair. Sometimes shit happens. Let's go up and check. Up, 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 up. Halfway done. And finally, top of Kolka. Here the Baltic Sea, and from the right side is Riga Gulf. No people in summer, in winter really not a lot of tourists. First time I was here in summer. I think maybe winter is more beautiful. Christmas party, December 25. -5 degrees Celsius, but I'm not feeling cold. Don't know why, maybe because of the humidity, but it must be a lot because I'm near the sea. Whatever. Need to go home because in the evening I must be in Vilnius, and it is a long way to go for now. It is good to have good friends. I have one who repairs the drones. I just called him and he asked me to bring it home and he will repair it as soon as possible. So maybe it is a good end of the story because he told me it would not be very expensive. I have a bad karma with Kolka. First time when I was there in summer, memory card was damaged. Now the drone crashed, but I hope I have all the information for now and it will be a nice, beautiful video. So, whatever. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, see you soon, and bye bye.